welcome to Vinod's tutorial. Today we are study full adder circuit, designing a full adder circuit. So before that we should know what is the need for full adder circuit. Suppose we are going to add two binary digits 101 and 010. Suppose we are adding this together, 1 plus 1 0 is 1, this also 1, this also 1. So there is no problem in doing this large calculation using half adder circuit. I can have three half adders, one to add these two numbers, then these two numbers, then these two numbers. Okay, now if you're going for another, for example, this is 1 plus 1. Let's see what happens if it is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2, that is 1 0. It will be 0, then it will 1 will come here. Then this 1 plus 1 will be 1 0. Again this 1 will come here, then it will be like this. So what happens is, here we need to add 3 bits. Okay, that cannot be accomplished using half adder circuit. For that case, we should need a full adder circuit. Therefore, full adder circuit are essential while we doing binary addition. Okay, the first two digits we can do it using half adder, but whenever a carry comes, that is a problem in full adder, half adder circuit. So we should go for full adder circuit. A full adder has a as input. There are two inputs and carry input as another input, and there are two outputs, sum and carry output. This is a full adder circuit. So before designing it, now we should go for the truth table of a full adder circuit. We have A, B, C are the inputs. We have sum and carry out as the output. Let us see what are the input combinations: 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. These are the 8 combinations. Let us see the output. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 0. 0 plus 1 is 0 1. 0 plus 1 is, this is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 1. This is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 means 1 1. So that's all. That is all the truth table. Now from the truth table we should go for designing the expression first. Now for expression, just take the min terms. Let us do it just in SOP form. Okay, SOP. So what do we have? We have 1, this 1, this is 1. That is, let us do it for sum first. Sum is equal to, let us take the ones. 0 0 is 1. That is A bar, B bar, C plus this one A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C bar plus this one A, B, C. Now we can reduce this expression like we can take C outside from these two terms. So we have C into A bar B plus AB plus from here we can take what is this, C bar outside. So we have A bar B plus A B bar. Now see, A bar B bar plus AB is nothing but A XOR B. So C into A XOR B, that means A XOR B plus complement, plus C bar into this is A XOR B. A XOR B. Now C into something. Let us see A XOR B is equal to Y. Let us say A XOR B is equal to Y. A XOR B is equal to Y. Then what happens? C into Y bar plus C bar into Y. What is this? This is nothing but C XOR Y, isn't it? Therefore, this can be reduced as C XOR A XOR B. Okay, so this is nothing but the expression for sum. Now let's go for the expression for carry out. What is this? This one, that is A bar BC plus this one A bar B C bar plus AB plus AB C bar. This is AB C bar plus what is this one? ABC. ABC. Now from this we can take what is this? A bar BC plus A bar BC bar. From this we can take BC outside these two terms, that is equal to BC into A bar plus A plus, here I can take, oh, there is a small correction here. This is not A, this is 101. That means A, B bar C. Therefore, what happens? A, B bar C. From here, you can take A outside. So we have B bar C plus BC bar. Now, what is this? What is this? This is equal to BC into A bar plus A is 1. BC into 1 is BC itself plus A into B XOR C. Okay. Now, this is expression for carry. Now, C XOR A XOR B can be written as A XOR B XOR C, whatever it be. So, here I am writing this as sum is equal to, what is this? A XOR B XOR C. That is using commutative property. Now, sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C, carry out is equal to BC. So, I can write it here, sum C. Let us now draw the circuit. We have A, B, C here. First we draw for B, C. I am going to XOR B, XOR C. Now we have A here. Again XORing these. That means A XOR B XOR C. This is nothing but sum. Now carry out. For carry out, what happens is BC. I have to take BC first. Then we have, before that, B XOR C. I have already B XOR C here. Now B XOR C into A. This is B XOR C into A. This term plus BC. We have B C. B C. Or in this together. So I have BC plus A into B XOR C. So this is the final. This is a circuit for a full adder circuit. So first we go for the truth table, then for the expressions. So this is carry out, this is sum. From the expression we go for the circuit. Thank you.